One of my favorite parts about Google Sheets is how collaborative it is. So for example, we have a full team task tracker that brings everything into a full team from each individual person's task tracker. So if you're a manager, you can see exactly what each person has on their list, and you can see what day things are due, so you can help prioritize if needed. Over here, we have a snapshot calendar, so you know exactly what's due each day. And you can see more info right here, so you can see different notes, different things like that. And if you want to see historical tasks, you can simply go to the Done tab, and you can see exactly what was completed each day. And this way you can get information that's needed or get links, things like that, without having to contact your teammate. Each individual person has their own individual tracker, and that's what they manage, so that way they don't have access to see exactly what's being done by somebody else. So for example, I can go in right here, and this is where everything's edited. So let's say I want to say test example. I didn't know about it at the beginning of the week, so I'm going to go ahead and put unplanned. Let's mark this as not started and top. Let's give it a deadline of today. Task focus will be project completion, and we'll just put whatever this is for notes. And I'll go ahead and put sheets by olin.com for link. So now that it's on their task tracker, on the full team task tracker, you'll see it as well. So on my full team task tracker under Olin, you can see the test example. And if you wanted to see it based off of different types, so for example, let's say group by top priority only, you can click on that and you'll see just the top priority. So it's super simple to slice and dice your data. And on my prioritization matrix, even though it's lower on the task list, it's up here near the top because it's due today. It's super easy to navigate to each individual's tracker. And adding a new teammate is simple as well. All you have to do is make a copy of this template, go to visualizations worksheet, change the name to whatever the name is, add it right here, and import the range. And don't worry, there's basic instructions for that. There's also a visualizations tab to show exactly what your team has been completing each week as well as month. And it's broken up by task focus, task priority, task type, and on-time completion. So you can make sure that the team is focusing in the right areas. And that's it. If you want to copy for yourself, there's a full tutorial showing exactly how to build each individual tracker from scratch. And then another tutorial showing exactly how to convert that individual tracker to the team tracker model. Or you can find a pre-built version on my shop at sheetsbyolin.com. Let me know if you have any questions, and like and comment for more.